Alright everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're kicking off an exciting new series where we build a powerful interaction system in Unreal Engine 5. Whether you're an indie developer or a seasoned professional, this system is designed to be reusable and super flexible, perfect for integrating with any project with minimal configuration. In this series, we're not just going to show you how to get things done, we're going to dive into the how and why of the system actually working. Our goal here is to empower you with both practical implementation skills and a solid understanding of the underlying mechanics of game interactions. Imagine being able to create item pickups, interactive doors, or even multi-press interactions where you need to smash a button repeatedly over and over again to trigger an action, all using one robust system. In each video in this series, episode by episode, I will be iterating towards this functionality, and by the end of it all, you'll have implemented a fully functional interaction system which can be dropped into any actor in your game and make it interactable with minimal configuration, and it'll be usable in your other projects too. And because each video will build on the previous one, you'll also understand the decision making behind every choice that was made along the way. So with that said, if you're ready to elevate your game development skills and gain a deeper understanding of one of the most important mechanics in video game development, all within Unreal Engine 5, then hit the subscribe button and join me on this journey. In the next video, we'll start from ground zero, laying the foundation of our interaction system, and by the end of the series, you'll be crafting interactions like a professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.